Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you tips and tricks in Motorola smartphone. So let's get start the video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start, friends. First, let's trick number one is first you have to go to settings. Here it is gestures. Scroll down. You will see here it is quick capture. You have to tap on it, and you can see twist your wrist twice or quickly to open the camera at any time. You have to enable it like this and just try it out like this. You have to take your phone like this, and you can see this is how you can open your camera. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time. Let's move on to the trick number two. Here it is select to speak feature. So how you can use this feature, you have to go to accessibility, click on select to speak, and you have to enable it from here like this, and you can see the shortcut over here. You have to tap the shortcut just like this, and you can see it will read out loud.
Tap a specific item,
You can
like
see
text or an image. Drag your finger
if you want to
across the
pause it,
screen.
you can pause it from here, and just you can uh, remove it by clicking on this, and turn off by clicking on this. This is a very cool feature if you are reading an article on browser or something. It is very useful feature. Let's move on to the trick number three, that is secret menu, or you can say accessibility menu also. So first you have to open your settings, then you can see here it is accessibility. You have to tap on here, scroll down, and you will see accessibility menu. You have to tap on here, just enable it from here, and you can see the shortcut over here. You have to just simply tap on the shortcut like this, and you will see some menu will open. You can see here it is the shortcut. If you want to volume down or volume up, if you want brightness down, brightness up, lock screen, recent app, notification, screenshot, you can do these tasks in a shortcut way by enabling these settings. Let's move on to the trick number four, that is magnification feature. So how you can use this feature, first you have to open your settings, click on accessibility, scroll down, you will see magnification. You have to just enable it by clicking on this, and you can see here it is the shortcut of the magnification. When you just tap on here and just zoom it like this, you can see you can zoom the actual screen also. Here just you have to just zoom it like this. You can see you can zoom the actual screen of your mobile phone also, and when you just tap on the app, it will open it like this. You can see this is a very cool feature. You can try this. Let's move on to the fifth setting, caller ID announcement. So first you have to open your phone call app, click on three dots, click on settings, scroll down, you will see here it is caller ID announcement. You have to click on caller ID and click on always. The caller's name and the number will be read out loud for incoming calls. Let's move on to the sixth settings, quick responses. So you have to open the phone call app, click on three dots, click on settings, scroll down, you will see quick responses, and here are four responses. You can see this, and you can tap this and delete the response and make your own response also like this, and simply press back. This is how you can use this. Let's move on to the seventh setting, how you can use one mobile phone as a multiple users in your smartphone. And let's do this. First you have to open your settings, then here it is system. You have to tap on here, and you will see here it is multiple users. You have to tap on here, click on allow. You have to click on add a guest or add a user. from here, then click on switch to guest mode, and now it is switching to the guest mode and phone is started. And you can see there is no any files, apps, video, photo or any Gmail ID data in this. You can see it is clearly new smartphone now, and you can use as a multiple user option also. So if you want to uh, uh, click on the owner option, if you want to back this and click on owner, so you have to open the system, back to the system like here, then click on multiple users, then here it is exit guest mode. You have to tap on here, click on exit, and it is switching to owner now. And this is how you can use this multiple user option. You can see that. Let's talk about the eighth trick. So how you can extend your RAM. So first you have to open your settings, click on system, scroll down, you will see performance, RAM boost. You have to enable it this, and you can see 2 GB, 4 GB and 8 GB. You have to tap on 8 GB or 4 GB, then click on restart. It will extend your RAM storage. Let's move on to the ninth trick. Ninth is a split top. How you can split the top. So here it is, I have opened the Chrome, then press back. You have to click on this option. Here it is tick option, click on split top, and you can see tap another app to use it, and you can see it is a split screen. Now you can use two apps in one screen like this. I hope let's talk about the 10th setting, how you can enable Google Discover feature. So first you have to press your home screen, home settings, and click on swipe access. You have to click on Google feed. You have to enable this. Then this is how you can enable, and press back. You can see Google Discover feature is now enabled successfully. You can see this is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. I show you the 11th trick. You have to click on this Google Message app, and how you can hide this. Just you have to just long press this, click on archived, and one conversation is archived now. Click on profile, click on this you can see archived section, and you can see one conversation is hidden. To unhide it, you have to unarchive this. One conversation is unarchived means unhide this. Let's move on to the 12th trick. That is how you can change your Google Assistant voice. Just long press the assistant, click on settings, and you can see scroll down assistant voice. Friends, you can see
here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant. If
The-
you like this,
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
here are the voices.
Here are the voices you can pick for your
Here are the voices you can pick for your Google Assistant.
friends,
If you like this voice,
this is how you can change this. I hope you like this tips and tricks videos. If you like this video, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. See you next time.